Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zoom Workplace on a Mac step by step. First, open the Zoom Workplace app on your Mac and sign in to your Zoom account. On the home screen, you will see options such as New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Whiteboards. Click New Meeting to start an instant meeting. If you do not want to use the camera, you can keep the video turned off before joining the meeting. During the meeting, the bottom toolbar gives you access to the main Zoom controls. Click Participants to view participants and invite others to the meeting. Click Chat to send messages during the meeting. Click Share to share your entire screen, a specific application window, or a presentation. If you want to collaborate visually, click Whiteboards to open a shared whiteboard where you can draw, write, and organize ideas. Click More to access additional features such as recording, captions, transcripts, breakout rooms, and meeting settings. To schedule a meeting in advance, return to the home screen and click Schedule. Enter the meeting title, choose the date and time, and save the meeting. You can then copy the meeting invitation and share it through Mail, Messages, WhatsApp, or any other communication app on your Mac. Zoom Workplace on Mac is useful for online classes, business meetings, presentations, interviews, and team collaboration. When you finish the meeting, click End and choose End Meeting for all. That's how you can use Zoom Workplace on a Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.